Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my first day of school and I am going to be doing a get ready with me, and I think I'm just going to do my makeup and then I can try to do a voiceover, but I don't think I'm going to show you guys the products because if I do, I'm going to be late and I only have like 30 minutes left, so I have to really hurry. Well, yeah, I'm just going to do something simple, I think. So I already did my eyebrows and I am going to do my eyeshadow now. And I'm priming my eyelids. I'm drinking my coffee. You guys, I couldn't sleep last night. I slept like at, I want to say like 2, because the last time I checked was it was like 1:20 something, and then I was still awake for a long time, so I think I slept like at 2, and I'm not ready to go to school. I'm just not. Hopefully today is a good day. You guys, look at this. Hopefully I can cover it because it looks bad.
Okay, so I didn't tell you guys what happened, but I burned myself with Nair because I wanted to take off my mustache that wasn't even there, but yeah.
I don't want to go to school, guys. I really don't. I want to stay home. But once I start school, I'm not going to want to miss, because I hate missing school, because whenever I miss school, I miss a lot of things that I need to know, and they don't go back to review it, and sometimes they don't give me the work, so I need to be at school every day. I mean, it's not that I don't want to go to school ever, I just don't want it to start yet, you know? I was not ready. No, I'm just kidding. I don't want to go to school ever. It's just, no, I can't. I want to stay home. Okay, so I'm thinking about doing yellow and brown, but I don't know if I should use another color under the yellow just so it could make a nice transition. Let's see, this one.
So I did decide to go with that shade. It is like a beige. I'm not sure what shade it is, but I did go in with that one, and then I am going to go in with the brown in the next clip.
But this is almost my last year. One more year and I'm done. But then college, that's scary. The future is scary. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life.
So here I am packing on the brown with a flat blending brush, and now I am putting the yellow all over my eyelid. And now I am just blending out the brown. And then here, as you guys can see, I had a chemical burn from the Nair that I used. And I was color correcting, and here I am taking the greenish bluish color corrector because I want to cancel out the redness, and then I am just blending. And now I am taking the concealer and just blending it out, and then I am priming all over my face. And now the foundation. The foundation I use is the 24-hour Stay from Maybelline, and it is a little light. I didn't match myself at the store because it's Walmart. I'm not just going to match myself at Walmart. But yeah, I am using my Morphe Y6. And then just to make everything seamless, I am going to get the sponge, and I am blending out my foundation. And now I am concealing with the Fit Me concealer from Maybelline, blending with the sponge. And now I am taking the LA Pro Concealer to contour because my foundation was too light, so I had to contour today. And then I decided that it was easier to just blend out with a brush, so I got the stippling brush and I blended out the contour. And then once again, to make everything seamless, I'm blending out with the sponge. And then I am taking the Wet n Wild contour tool and I'm using the highlighting shade. And now I am baking where I put the color correcting and concealer and foundation on up of my lip just to lock it there. And then I am cleaning up my contour. And then I forgot to bronze before I baked, so I am carefully doing this above it. You know, just bronzing, well, contouring, powder contouring. Okay, so now I am setting my face with powder. You know, I took off my bake and all that. And then I am straightening my hair.
Okay, guys, I'm going to be late.
You guys, I was in a hurry. It was like 7:40 already, and I had to leave. Like, I left right after this. But yeah, I was trying to straighten my hair real quick. It was already straightened, but I had to re-straighten it because my hair can get a little curly at night from sleeping on it. So yeah, I'm just straightening it. Okay guys, so now I am in the car and I am taking my Fenty Beauty highlight in Hustle Baby, and you guys, look at this cute little highlight. You guys, it's super cute. Look at that glow. I look like a donut. Okay, here I am taking my blush, and I believe this was a Back Talk blush. I don't know, I forgot what it's called, but yeah. And then I'm looking cute or whatever.
Hey guys, so I'm having such a bad day, but guess what? My friend is here. You guys, I'm literally so tired. I want to go to sleep. Guys, I was not ready for school. I needed more time. But I guess today wasn't that bad. I expected worse. But it was actually okay, I guess. But I did have a headache and my morning was terrible. It was just bad. And then with my lip, I don't know, is it noticeable? It kinda is. I feel like it kinda peeks through, but for the most part I did cover it. I don't know how I feel about my makeup. I don't know if I like it. Like, I like my eyes, my eyeshadow and stuff. My eyelashes coming off. My eyebrows, something wasn't right today. Like, they look weird. I don't know how to feel about my foundation. Like, is it actually full coverage? I don't know. I can't really tell. I can't really tell because I feel like this is what I look like with any other foundation. It says it's up to 24-hour wear, seamless matte finish. It doesn't look that matte. Like right here it does, but I did bake right here. My forehead does not look matte. My nose does not look matte. This does not look matte. So I don't know. I don't know, you guys. It doesn't look matte to me. Like, you guys can see. Are those my bags? Oh no, these are my eye bags. The oil though, you could see it. See? I mean, I know I put highlight here and here and here and here and here and here, but like what about the rest of my face? Like, I did not put it all the way over here, you know? Okay guys, so don't mind the mess I have in the background, but this was my outfit. I wore this shirt from Tilly's, and then the jeans are from Old Navy, and then some yellow Vans. But yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. Comment when your first day of school is, and if you already started school, tell me how your day went. I hope you guys had a wonderful day, unlike mine, and don't do dumb things like me before the first day of school. Do not ever put Naira on your face, because just don't. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.